Today my lesson is about my best friend. I will be talking about one grammar article in essay every video. In this video I will be talking about subordinating conjunctions in comparisons. My best friend's name is Tina. She is the same age as I am, and we go to the same school. She studied harder than most of my classmates, but she is never proud or arrogant. We always share our lunch, and she is as kind to others as she is to me. Tina plays football better than I do. While I prefer reading books, she is spending more time outdoors. She runs as fast as the boys in our class. She never gives up in a game. Whereas I am shy, Tina is very confident when she talks to new people. I think our friendship is stronger than any other friendship in school. She helps me the same way as a sister would. We laugh together as much as we study together. While some friends argue, Tina and I always forgive each other quickly. Here are some examples from the essay above. I will talk about subordinating conjunction in comparison. What are subordinating conjunctions? Subordinating conjunctions are words that connect a dependent clause in complete thought to an independent clause complete thought. Examples: then, as if, as though, just as, rather than, whereas, while. Uh, she is the same age as I am. This means equality in age, same age, some kinds, same speed. She studied harder than most of my classmates. Then compares her hard work with others, better than me, stronger than other friendship. She runs fast as the boys, as shows equal speed. Whereas I am shy, Tina is very confident, whereas contrast two opposite characters. While I prefer reading books, she spends more time outdoors, while shows contrast in activities. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe my channel.